What's the meaning of Anderson shelter? Anderson shelter. Anderson shelter. Anderson shelter. Anderson shelter. Anderson shelter.
The Anderson shelter was a type of air raid shelter used during World War II in Britain. It was designed to protect people from bombs dropped during air raids. The shelter was made from corrugated iron and provided space for up to 6 people. It was named after Sir John Anderson, who was responsible for organizing air raid precautions in Britain during the war. The Anderson shelter proved to be effective in protecting people during air raids and helped to reduce casualties.